Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Shippo. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in goshippo.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Shippo website. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner and this will take you into the login portal. Now from this page, if you have forgotten your password, click on the reset password button at the bottom and this will take you into the password reset section. Just type in the email address that you have used while signing up for your account within the email box and then click on reset password. You will then be asked to check your inbox. So log into your email account that you just entered within the box and you will find an email from Shippo. You can simply click on the link which says click here to create a new password and now you will be allowed to create a new password for your account. Just type in your desired new password and then type it in once again for confirmation and then click on reset password. Once you click on this, your password will successfully be reset and now you can use your new password in order to log back into your account on Shippo. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Shippo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.